over $17,000 with the first stimulus check. Hey, what's up everyone? This is Invest for More and welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna give you opportunities in which company you have to invest and when is the time to invest in stock market. But also I'm gonna give you hints when to get out from the stock market, like I did a month ago when I predicted the stock market will have a crash or a correction, which already happened. So make sure you subscribe, like this video and watch until the end because I'm gonna give you some opportunities where to invest your money with the new stimulus check. Another thing I want to mention here, I'm not a financial advisor and you are responsible for your investments. Here's guys the new stimulus check, the third check, 1,400 are on the way, and this is a good news guys because it's free money, you know, who doesn't like free money? But the most important thing is what we're gonna do with this money. Some people will spend on vacations, some people will spend on food, some people will spend on new devices, and there are some people who want to invest this money and make more money. Let's see how much money you could have made with the first stimulus check from April 2020. Here is my portfolio. In the last year I've made over $26,000 investing in stock market. I already withdraw some money, that's why I have $17,000. I'm gonna go through few companies and let's see how much money you could have made with $1,200 from the first stimulus check. The first company is Fuel Cell Energy, it's $14.42. In April 2020 the price was about $1.50, $1.60, $1.80, so let's do the math. 1,200 divided by 1.8. In 2020 the price was, let's say, about $1.80, and you could have buy 666 shares. Now 666 shares times 14.40. The price right now it's 14.40. okay, you could have made $9,600 from April to now with the first stimulus check. That's why it's very important to invest in stock market and also invest in yourself, invest in courses, invest in events, and you maybe know your network, it's your net worth. Now let's go to another company which I invested in, CPSH Technologies. CPSH Technologies, 1 year ago in April 2020 the price was $1. As you can see here, the price was $1 guys. Now it's $14.90. Let's do the math. 1,200 divided by 1, which is 1,200, times 14.90. the price right now is 14.90. 1,200 it's shares that you could have buy last year, and now the price each share it's 14.90. so you could have made $17,000, over $17,000 guys, over $17,000, which is a lot of money guys. If you got the stock at $1 and you sold right here $26.89, you could have made over $32,000. I did the math, and over $32,000 guys, which is a lot. That's why guys, I don't keep my money in my bank account. I prefer to invest my money, all my money in stock market, in crypto, other investments like courses, seminars, events, you know, and learn more ways to invest my money and multiply my money. Here's a very good course where you can invest your money and learn how to invest efficiently and start your financial freedom journey. I already got this course, is the most valuable course on the market right now, and that's why I recommend you to invest in this course. You're gonna learn strategies and principles about investing in general, risk management, how to know if it's a good or bad investment, about how to be profitable in stock market, and also about cryptocurrencies. I'm gonna put the link into the description, and if you buy from there, you're gonna have a bonus access to investors community. I'm gonna be there and we can discuss the latest investing and market updates. So guys, get instant access and see you in the Facebook group. With Shopify you could have buy about 2 shares, and at this price you could have made over $2,000 easily. Let's look at Tesla right now. In April Tesla was 130, 120 120, 140, okay, in April 2020. You could have buy about 8.5 shares, and at this price you could have made, and at this price $652, you could have made over $5,000 investing your first stimulus check. Another good company is Fiverr International. If you don't know about Fiverr, you can hire freelancer from their website. The price in April 2020 was about $30, $35, and you could have buy about 31 shares. At this price you could have made over $6,700. Another company is Upwork, the same thing like Fiverr. You can hire freelancer from their platform. The price was about $7, $7.27, $7.20, $7.50 in 2020. So 150 shares from April 2020 times $44, it's equal over $6,600 with the first stimulus check. I know guys, it's easy to look back and see the growth. Some people will say, what if I invested in 2020, what if I invested in this company in 2020, and they're gonna stay at the same level. But there are some people who will say, okay, I've seen this growth in the past year, and what can I do right now? That's why I'm here and show you some companies where you can invest the third stimulus check. First of all, with 1,400 I will invest in maximum 2 companies, no more than that. The first company is Fuel Cell Energy. It's 1449. It's a green company which, with a new president, I think it's a good investment. I already bought on 5th March 300 shares. The second company is CPS Technologies. The ticker is CPSH. The price is $14.90. The company engaged in the provision of advanced material solutions to the transportation, automotive, energy, computing or internet, telecommunications, aerospace, defense, and oil and gas end markets. It's a green company, and as you know, the new president of United States is supporting the green companies. The all-time high price was $26.89 on February 16, 2021, and now the price is $14.90. The third company is NIO. The price is $41.62. They are electrical vehicle brand and they compete with Tesla. Last year the price for NIO was $2.40 and now it's $41.62. Over 1,600% up. The market cap for NIO is $68 billion. Tesla, in the same category, electric vehicle, it has over $640 billion market cap. The last 2 companies are from cannabis space. First company is Airfria. It's over $19 and last year was $2, over $2. I think with the new president, the cannabis area will grow a lot. The second company is Tuscan Holdings. It's over $13 and they are a blank check company focusing on cannabis industry. I have 200 shares at $12.81. Because you are here, I'm gonna give you a bonus company, which is Fiverr International. This company operates in e-commerce area. You can hire freelancer from their platform, and because the companies are looking to move on online area, they need to hire some freelancers. I already worked with some freelancers from Fiverr platform, and I think it's very useful for online area, and I think you can find cheap prices there. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching. Do not forget, invest in yourself. The most important thing is to invest in yourself. Invest in courses, invest in events, invest in your network, and the results will come. Here's a very good course where you can invest your money and learn how to invest efficiently and start your financial freedom journey. I already got this course. It's the most valuable course on the market right now, and that's why I recommend you to invest in this course. You're gonna learn strategies and principles about investing in general, risk management, how to know if it's a good or bad investment, about how to be profitable in stock market, and also about cryptocurrencies. I'm gonna put the link into the description, and if you buy from there, you're gonna have a bonus access to investors community. I'm gonna be there and we can discuss the latest investing and market updates. So guys, get instant access and see you in the Facebook group. Don't forget to subscribe, to like this video and share with your friends if I gave you some value. See you in another video.